Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.